Hello everyone and welcome to another video. I have just received this is one of the boxes I have received from the company that distributes sage in Northern Europe. I'm pretty sure what's inside here, but let's open and have a look. I just spent the last 8 days in the US attending the IFTD, where we tried a lot of the new Sage R8. And here they are. Let me just show you this. This is awesome. So the new Sage R8 has just arrived at Nordic Anglers. We have them. We have them in stock. So swing by Nordic Anglers to get yours. And just to give you a brief look at exactly what this is. The rod tube is kind of off-whitish. Maybe, I don't know if it's a bit gray in the tone, but I really like this. It sets it out immediately. And what Sage have done, gotta come a bit closer here. This is the 9 feet 6 weight. The rod here is of course brand new. They've only been released today, but they have changed how they actually have the or how you work the bag here. But I'm just gonna give you a short peek here. There it is. The new Sage R8 core, available in stock at Nordic Anglers. So swing by Nordic Anglers to get your R8 rod today. I'm Daniel signing off. So thrilled about these. Cast a lot of them. They are great, magnificent rods. They're available at Nordic Anglers. Haha.